Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be unboxing and what to expect video for the Plextone DX6. Now this is a 3 hybrid drivers earphone. Now basically this has a combination of armature driver and dynamic driver, so we'll be talking about that later on. So those are basically two different kind of speakers which excel in different kind of sounds, so we'll be talking about that later on. Let's go ahead, unbox this and see what all do you get with this. Now the price on this, it says 2,999, so 3,000 rupees, but right now on Amazon you can get it for 1,999, so basically 2,000 rupees. So you can order it from there. You get three colors. Basically you get the red, green and black color. Now I've got the red version, and you have different versions of it. You have the regular 3.5 mm one without the mic, then you have the 3.5 one with the mic and type C, and then the wireless one. Now I've got the 3.5 mm one with the mic, so that's the version that I have here. So let's go ahead, unbox this and then see what do we actually get with this. Nice premium packaging. It actually looks very nice. The presentation is pretty good. Okay, so that's the wire, that's the earphone, that's the accessory. So very nice packaging. Everything is kept separately. So let's remove the wire first. Okay, let's keep that aside. Let's remove the earphone itself. Okay, so those are the earphones. They are really big actually. If you look at them, the size is pretty big, but anyways, we'll see how the sound quality is going to be. Pamphlet, nothing else here. So you get three sets of earbuds, and the fourth one is already there. The fourth one is a different one though. It's a double one, so we'll be talking about that later on. Let's look at the pamphlet. Okay, so one thing I really liked about this is right now we've got the one with the mic and your regular 3.5 mm one. You don't have to change the earphone. All you have to do is change the wire. So you can get a type C wire for this. You can get one without the mic, and you can even get a wire which is wireless, so you can have a Bluetooth version also. So I think I'll try the Bluetooth one. That will be really interesting. So that's good. So basically the speakers are independent, so you can put it onto any of their versions. So good option. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the earphone itself. Now let's start with the wire. Now the wire is a L-shaped wire with a gold tip, a gold-plated L-shaped wire. Now the entire wire is braided. This has oxygen-free copper wire in it, so that the corrosion is low. You would have seen, if you have any copper utensils and stuff, they all get that green corrosion. So if you get that, then the sound going through the wire gets you do not get the full intensity. The quality goes low. With this, the quality will remain good. At least that's what it's written on the box. And since it's braided, so it can take a lot of wear and tear. You can pull it a little bit and nothing should happen to it. Now the entire wire is almost 1.5 meters, so it's pretty long. Now over here it distributes into the left and right channel. This part is completely made of solid rubber, so it doesn't move that much. It doesn't allow it to break, so that's also good. So they've taken care of the strength part. Now you have the remote on the right hand side one, so you have the right and left marking over here. I don't think you'll be able to see that properly, but it's over here. Now the mic is a one button mic. You do not get a volume control on it. We'll be doing a mic test later on. So these are the special connectors. Now these are also gold tipped, so all you have to do is plug this in like that and it's done. Now at first this actually looked a little big for me, not just the earphone, this part itself, so it's a little big, but it actually worked out well. Now basically this is at an angle, so I'll just show you that. So when you put this in your ear, it actually goes in that way, and then this part rests on your ear. Now it's not I mean, I thought that this will hurt a lot, but it did not hurt me that much. So I was able to comfortably use it for 2 hours and I didn't have a problem. So all in all, fit wise, it's nice. Now let's just take a closer look at the earphone itself. Now you have two dynamic drivers here. Now, dynamic drivers are your regular speakers that you've seen in most of the earphones. Then you have a special one, the in the middle over here, which you cannot see right now, is the armature driver. Now, the armature driver is basically a square kind of a earphone, which is which can, I mean, you can actually make a specific frequency to come out of it, so you can control the frequency. That's why you would have seen a lot of expensive earphones with amateur drivers, where they have three drivers, so you use one for low, one for mid, and one for the highs. So here the amateur driver is responsible for the mids, so the vocals are very clear. So that's why this is mainly a gaming earphone for PlayStations, for all these gaming devices, so that you can hear everything properly. So if you are talking to someone, you will be able to hear everything properly. Now the other two are responsible for the other ranges, so your treble is not overpowering on this at all, because the mids are actually controlled by this. So it's a balanced sound. Now this is not a bass head earphone. You will not be able to enjoy bass on it. So if you are a bass head, stay away from this. I'm not a big fan of this kind of earphone, but I actually used it for around 3-4 hours just to play PUBG. Then I used it for watching a movie. Then I used it for listening to music on basically YouTube Music, on Spotify, on Amazon Music, and my local music, whatever I have stored. And I was able to hear a lot of different instrument sounds. The vocals were very clear. Even though the bass was not there, I was able to enjoy it after using it for a few hours. But in the starting, I did not really like this that much. Now, this is not going to be a bass head earphone, so just keep putting that out there. If you want a bass head type one, then Plextone has another one, this one, which is good with bass. Now, all in all, the construction is very good. I'll be doing a durability test. I'll be taking it to the gym. I'll be doing a mic test to see how the mic is going to respond, how clear is the mic. Now, you can use this for a longer period of time. So I've already spoken about the sound signature now. That should have been a different one. So okay, so you can use it for a long period of time, but one thing you have to be aware of is that this will get very loud. So this is one of the earphones which I cannot use it in full volume, mainly because the bass is missing. My ear can tolerate a lot of bass, but it cannot tolerate a lot of treble and vocals. So I had to bring the volume down. So this is going to be a very loud earphone. So you can actually expect, even if your phone's output is not that great, you will be able to get much better sound from this. So just keep that in mind. So all in all, excellent earphone. I'll be using it more, and I'll be letting you know how the rest of the things are, the mic, the gym fit, and everything. I'll be letting you know that later on. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.